In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download audio from Elevenlabs PC/laptop. By the end, you'll have a text-to-speech audio file generated in Elevenlabs and saved to your computer as an MP3 or WAV. First, open your web browser and go to elevenlabs.io. In the address bar, type the URL and press Enter. The Elevenlabs homepage will load. Next, log into your account. Click Login at the top right, then enter your account details and submit. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. If you're already logged in, you can continue without changing anything. Now click Text to Speech. You'll see a page where you can create audio from text. This is the main workspace for generating downloadable speech. Enter or paste your text into the text box. Click inside the field and type your script, or paste it from your clipboard. Keep your text clean and clear to avoid mispronunciations.
Brave warrior.
If you need to correct a word,
come
edit it
far.
directly in the box before generating. From here, choose a voice from the voice library. Click the voice selector to open the voice library, then pick the voice you want to use. Select the voice so it appears as the active choice in the text-to-speech panel. Make sure you see the correct voice name before moving on. Once that's done, click Generate to create the audio. The system will process your text and build the speech. Wait for the generation to finish. You'll see a progress indicator, and then a player or result card will appear on screen. If your text is long, generation might take a little longer. Just let it complete before taking the next step. After it finishes, click the Download button. Look for the download icon or the button labeled Download near the generated result. Click it once. If you don't see the button immediately, make sure the generation has fully completed and the result is visible. At this point, select MP3 or WAV and save it to your PC or laptop. A small menu or dialog will let you choose the format. MP3 creates a smaller file size, while WAV is uncompressed and larger. Pick the format you prefer. Your browser's Save dialog will open. Choose a folder on your computer, confirm the file name, and click Save. If your browser asks for a download location automatically, select the destination and proceed. The file will begin downloading and will appear in your chosen folder when complete. To recap the flow you're seeing on screen, you opened elevenlabs.io, logged in, clicked Text-to-Speech, added your text, picked a voice from the voice library, generated the audio, clicked Download once the process finished, and then chose MP3 or WAV to save it directly to your PC or laptop. If you follow these steps in order, you'll get a clean, ready-to-use audio file without any extra setup.